Consider this math problem. We are going to find the volume of this loudspeaker. This loudspeaker is consisted by different shape. Like this one is a half of a sphere or semisphere, which has 6 centimeter of diameter, and we have a larger cone which is from here up to here with the height of 15 centimeter, and we have a small cone which is set from here up to here with 10 centimeter of height, and we have a cylinder with diameter of 4 centimeter. We can start by finding a volume of one shape which consists this loudspeaker. Let's start by calculating a volume of loudspeaker of semisphere. Let's call it volume 1. This is semisphere. Okay. Volume of a sphere is equal to 4/3 times radius cube times pi. Because it is half of a sphere, we have to divide by 2, or times a half. So now here a sphere, we have a diameter. If you have a diameter, you can divide by 2 to get a radius, and we have a 6 divided by 2, we have 3. Our radius is equal to 3 centimeter, and we can substitute into this formula 1/2 times 4/3 times a radius cube, which is equal to 3 raised to cube times pi. Here we have it is equal to 18 times pi centimeter cube. This is a volume of semisphere, and we are going to calculate the volume of frustum. Volume of frustum of the cone. We can take a volume of large cone and subtract the volume of small cone to get volume of frustum. Volume of frustum is this one. This is a frustum, because we can take a volume of this larger cone and subtract the volume of small cone to get frustum of the cone. This is volume of frustum of cone. It is equal to, we can get this volume by taking a volume of large cone and subtract the volume of small cone. Volume of cone is equal to pi times radius square times height over 3. This is the volume of large cone, and subtract volume of small cone, which is equal to pi times radius square times height, and divide by 3. Let's substitute the value of this formula. Pi times radius. This formula is for large cone. Here large cone have diameter which is equal to 6 centimeter, and divide by 2 to get radius. It is equal to 3 square times height. Height of large cone is equal to this one. We take a 10 and add 5, which is equal to 15. Divide by 3 and subtract volume of small cone, which is equal to pi times radius of a small cone. Here we have a diameter have the same diameter as that of cylinder. We have 4 centimeter as diameter and divide by 2 to get radius, which is equal to 2 raised to 2 times height. Height is equal to 10 divided by 3. This 3 will cancel, and here is 14 over 3. This is equal to 95 times pi over 3. This is the volume of frustum of the cone. The volume we calculate is for this one, from here up to here. And also we have calculated the volume of sphere, this one, and we are going to calculate the volume of cylinder. Allow me to clean this side. Here we have this one is the volume of, this is the volume 1, and this is the volume 2. Okay, let me clean this side. Okay, now we are going to calculate the volume of cylinder. Okay, let's call it volume 3. Volume 3 cylinder. It is equal to pi times radius square times height, and pi times radius square, radius of cylinder. Here we have diameter of a cylinder, which is equal to 4 centimeter, and divide by 2 to get a radius. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. Here we can multiply 2 raised to 2 times height. Height of cylinder is equal to 10, and this is equal to 14 pi times centimeter cube. And here you can't forget to put unity centimeter cube. Okay, now the volume of this loudspeaker, we are going to make a total of this volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3 are going to make a total of their volume. Allow me to clean this side. Okay, volume of loudspeaker is equal to volume 1 plus volume 2 plus volume 3, which is equal to 18 times pi plus 95 pi over 3 plus volume 3, which is equal to 40 pi, and this will be equal to 269 pi over 3, and this is equal to pi is equal to 3.14 or 22/7. You can substitute the value of pi here. You can multiply 3.14 or 22/7. So if I substitute the value of pi, I get 281.7 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of loudspeaker. Thank you for watching this video.